When is a good time to kill lawn grubs? Grubs can devastate any lawn, and many people do not know they have grubs until the lawn begins to die. It's only when they pull back the dead grass that they find them. Grubs. Grubs are the larvae of a variety of beetles, including the Japanese beetle. They have orange heads and white bodies. The work of the grub. Grubs live within the soil of lawns and feed off of the roots to survive. In doing so, they destroy the root, which kills the grass. Prevention. Grubs come to the surface in early summer when the soil is moist. This is the perfect time to treat the lawn and stop the infestation before they begin to attack the grass roots. Treatment. Various forms of treatment are available for grubs. You can hire a professional lawn care provider or look for spray or granular treatment at a lawn supply center. Considerations. You need to treat the lawn for grubs yearly to prevent more outbreaks.